Good morning, students. How you all are? All are fine. I know that you all are fine. Today we are going to start a new chapter from geography. Chapter number 2, globe, latitude and longitude. Before this, starting the chapter, we will need to some brush up something, है ना? जो हमने first chapter में पढ़ा था. In the last class, we had seen that we live in Earth. Earth is a member of solar system, and the shape of Earth is just like a geoid. Geoid means आप सबने ऑरेंज को देखा है. अगर आप ऑरेंज को ध्यान से देखेंगे, इट्स ऑलमोस्ट सर्कल, बट उसका दोनों जो एंड पॉइंट होता है वो थोड़ा चपटा हुआ रहता है, फ्लैट रहता है. That shape which is not circle but just like an orange, that means flattened from the both the end. It is called geoid. So our Earth's shape is geoid. And today in our class we are going to learn about globe. I hope you all are aware of globe, है ना? Globe क्या होता है? Globe is a model of Earth. Model of Earth means it is miniature form of Earth. Miniature means छोटा, है ना? जो globe होता है, exactly it is model of Earth, but it is small in size. And in today's class, we are going to know about the globe and important things which are related to globe. Okay, students. So we will watch a video to have more idea.
Long ago, people thought that the earth was flat. But Ferdinand Magellan, the explorer, sailed around the earth and proved that the earth is round like an...
Okay. So students, पहले लोगों को क्या लगता था? अर्थ जो है, that is flat. It is in flat shape. तो लोग थोड़ा डरते थे कि जब वो नाव में जाते थे, उनको ऐसा लगता था वो एक पॉइंट में आने के बाद नीचे गिर जाएंगे. But when they started sailing around it, they understood that Earth is not flat, but it is in geoid shape.
knowledge. The earth spins around an imaginary tilted axis.
So this is our Earth, and Earth is tilted one side. Tilted मतलब वो एक तरफ झुका हुआ होता है towards the sun. And this imaginary line through which the earth is tilted is called axis of the earth.
Now look at the globe. It is round and it spins.
So in the previous picture we had seen the small photo of earth, and this one is globe. So globe is a miniature model of earth. Okay, student. Globe is a miniature form of Earth. Miniature मतलब एक छोटा मॉडल है अर्थ का. ऐसा है कि जो हमारा अर्थ है वो एक तरफ टिल्टेड रहता है, एक तरफ झुका हुआ रहता है सन के तरफ. Same you can see that our globe is also tilted in one side. ये जो axis है it is not original है ना, it is an imaginary line.
A globe is a much smaller model of the earth. From a globe, you can tell many things. The shape of the earth, where the oceans and continents are, and even how day and night are caused. The north.
So globe is very helpful for us in many things, as globe helps to locate the things, है ना? Because we had discussed that our earth is in geoid shape, in a circular shape. अब अगर हम अर्थ को एक फ्लैट पेपर में रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, फ्लैट पेपर मीन्स मैप के बारे में आपने सुना होगा है ना, वर्ल्ड में पूरा एक वर्ल्ड का जो मैप है हम उसको एक पेपर में शिफ्ट करते हैं, तो उस पर स्टडी करने में थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट होता है. बट अगर हम उसको ग्लोब के फॉर्म में हमारे अर्थ को रिप्रेजेंट करें, इट इज वेरी इजी टू स्टडी. नाउ ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट about two motions, very important motions of the earth. Motion मतलब मूवमेंट ऑफ द अर्थ। हमारा अर्थ जो है वो दो मूवमेंट करता है। Our earth is having two motion. First one is rotation. What is first one? Rotation. Rotation क्या होता है? Suppose this is our earth. Okay, we had already discussed that sun is in the center of our solar system. Now earth will rotate. When earth will rotate, मान लो ये मेरा जो hand है, this is sun. जो sun की साइड में जो डायरेक्शन आएगा है ना, मीन्स ये पूरा पार्ट क्या हो जाएगा, डे होगा, और जो उसके पीछे का पार्ट होगा इट विल बी नाइट। अंडरस्टूड? यू जस्ट थिंक दैट दिस इज आवर अर्थ, ओके, एंड हियर सन इज इन दिस साइड। दोस पार्ट ऑफ अर्थ व्हिच विल बी फेसिंग सन, इट विल बी डे, एंड द अदर पार्ट व्हिच इज इन द बैक ऑफ सन, इट विल बी night.
Pole is at one end of the Earth's axis, and the South Pole is at the other end.
Apart from it, we have two poles, मतलब दो end point है। जो ऊपर का हिस्सा होता है that is North Pole, and the bottom part is South Pole. Okay, the two ends of the Earth है ना, the upper end is called North Pole, and the bottom or southern part is called South Pole.
The equator is an imaginary line.
Then equator. Normally जब आप लोग मैथ्स पढ़ते हैं तो आप लोग लिखते हैं 1 + 1 = 2, है ना, मतलब 1 और 1 को अगर प्लस करेंगे इधर 2 होगा, बीच में आता है इक्वल, है ना, इक्वल साइन। सो इक्वल मीन्स क्या होता है? Equator means equal. Equator means equal. So equator is one line which is passes to the center of our Earth, and it divides our Earth in two parts, that is north and then south. Okay. Equator जो है that is an imaginary line. ऐसा नहीं है कि हमारे Earth में equator बना हुआ है, but we make it in the globe so that it will be easy for us to know that which portion is north and which part is south. So always remember students, equator is one such line which is imaginary and it is drawn in the earth to divide earth in two parts. The upper part is called northern hemisphere and southern part is called southern hemisphere.
Divides the Earth into two equal halves, the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. This is where India is.
Okay, so we can see that if equator passes here, our India is in which hemisphere, northern or southern hemisphere? Give the answer in the comment section. Our India is in which hemisphere? Definitely it is in upper part, northern hemisphere.
A globe has lines of latitude and longitude. You can use
one line we had studied, equator, the central line, है ना? Then we have studied about North Pole and South Pole. Apart from that, we have few more lines in our globe. Now try to understand that अगर आपको किसी के भी घर जाना है या फिर आपको किसी के भी घर में एक लेटर पोस्ट करना है, few things will be required. सबसे पहले आपको घर का नंबर पता होना चाहिए, देन कौन सी कॉलोनी में आप रहते हैं, देन कौन से डिस्ट्रिक्ट में आप रहते हैं, कौन से स्टेट में आप रहते हैं, सो मच थिंग्स टू बी नोन। सो इन द सेम वे अगर हम पूछे कि हमारे ग्लोब पे ये पर्टिकुलर प्लेस कहाँ पे है, तो हमको भी कुछ नंबर्स, कुछ लोकेशन बताने पड़ेंगे। फॉर दैट वी ड्रॉ इमेजिनरी लाइन्स कॉल्ड लैटिट्यूड्स एंड लॉन्गिट्यूड्स। अब हम थोड़ा और पढ़ते हैं, हमेशा याद रखना लॉन्गिट्यूड मीन्स लंबा, है ना, लॉन्गिट्यूड इज मेड फ्रॉम वर्ड लॉन्ग एंड लॉन्ग मीन्स हिंदी में क्या होता है, लंबा। सो ऑल द लॉन्ग स्ट्रेट लाइन्स, है ना, which are drawn here, these long lines are called longitudes and latitudes, है ना, लेटा हुआ लाइन, है ना, all the lines which are running they are called latitudes. Now just look at the globe, you can find that all the latitudes they are parallel, है ना. latitude means ऐसा वाला लाइन है ना. all the latitudes they are parallel. parallel means आपने मैथ्स में पढ़ा होगा, मीन्स अगर दो लाइन आपस में एक दूसरे को टच नहीं करते हैं किसी भी एंड पॉइंट पे, सो दे आर पैरेलल. सो यू कैन लुक एट दिस globe, all the lines latitudes they are parallel and all the longitudes they come and meet in the north, south and north pole. Okay students?
These lines define different places on the globe. The equator is the most important line of latitude. The other latitudinal lines are on both sides of the equator, but they never touch it or each other. The main lines of latitude are the Arctic Circle, the Tropic of Cancer, the Tropic of Capricorn, and the Antarctic Circle.
So we had learned that equator is one of the important latitudes. Apart from this, we have few more important latitudes. So what are they? The first one is Arctic Circle in the North Pole. Then in the South Pole we have Antarctic Circle, है ना. Both the names are different. In the northern part we have Arctic Circle and in the southern part we have Antarctic Circle. Then we have Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn and Equator. Now you just imagine that suppose I am having a torch in my hand, है ना. मेरे हाथ में एक टॉर्च है और अगर मैं इस टॉर्च को यहाँ से हमारे ग्लोब की तरफ लाइट फ्लैश करूँ, व्हाट विल हैपन? ये जो पार्ट है इस पार्ट में सबसे ज्यादा सनलाइट टॉर्च का लाइट पड़ेगा. यू कैन डू इट इन योर होम. आप एक बॉल लेना, बॉल के सामने मोबाइल से टॉर्च जलाइएगा, तो जो बॉल का ये पार्ट होगा इस पार्ट में सबसे ज्यादा लाइट पड़ेगा. एंड एग्जैक्टली द सेम थिंग हैपेंस विद आवर अर्थ. जो दिस पार्ट है दैट मींस द पार्ट बिटवीन ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर एंड ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉर्न, इस पार्ट में सबसे ज्यादा सनलाइट पड़ता है. एंड ड्यू टू दिस इज द हॉटेस्ट रीजन ऑफ द अर्थ.
Lines of longitude run from north to south. All longitudes are equal in length. A globe is very useful. But what if you want to know the roads in a city? You can't use a globe for that. That's why you use a map. Maps are flat paper drawing.
So earlier we are discussing about globe and this one is map, है ना. Map means presentation of Earth in a plain paper and globe was a miniature model of Earth.
Of the Earth's surface. Even though a map is not an exact model of the Earth, it is easy to use and carry. A map can show a large part of the Earth or a small part in greater detail. A map uses different signs to show boundary lines, mountains, rivers, and so on. There are different kinds of maps: physical maps, political maps, and thematic maps are some types of maps.
So maps are presentation of Earth in a flat or plain surface. Maps are of three kinds. One is physical map, second political map, and third thematic map. Physical maps shows physical features like mountain and river. Okay, तो आप physical map में देख सकते, this green color represents forest, this brown color represents mountain. So in this way physical features है ना, physical features मतलब क्या होता है? फिजिकल मैप में फिजिकल फीचर्स दिखाए जाते जैसे कि रिवर, माउंटेन्स एंड अदर. द सेकंड वन इज पॉलिटिकल मैप. नॉर्मली आपने जो भी मैप अपने घर में या फिर स्कूल में देखा होगा, दैट इज वन एग्जांपल ऑफ पॉलिटिकल मैप। दैट मींस आपको अगर छत्तीसगढ़ में देखना है कि वेयर इज जांजगीर, सो यू हैव टू टेक दिस मैप टू नो दैट वेयर इज जांजगीर लोकेटेड इन इंडिया और छत्तीसगढ़। एंड इफ यू वांट टू नो दैट वेयर इज हसदेव रिवर इन छत्तीसगढ़, वी हैव टू टेक फिजिकल मैप। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, मान लो आपको ऐसा देखना है कि इंडिया में कौन सी जगह में कितना रेनफॉल होता है, तो जो मैप हम यूज करेंगे दैट इज थीमेटिक मैप। अगर आपको याद होगा हमारा असेंबली जो होता है दैट इज थीम बेस्ड असेंबली। हम एक पर्टिकुलर थीम के लेकर पूरे असेंबली को डिजाइन करते हैं। सो इन द सेम वे जो थीमेटिक मैप होता है उसमें मान लो हमको देखना है कि कौन सी जगह में रेनफॉल कैसा होता है, तो हम एक मैप प्रिपेयर करेंगे और उसमें इंडिकेट करेंगे कि इतने सेंटीमीटर से इतना सेंटीमीटर रेनफॉल इधर होता है, इन दैट सेंटीमीटर इज रेनफॉल इज देयर। सपोज वी वांट टू नो अबाउट द मिनरल रिसोर्सेज which are available in the India, so we have to refer to thematic map where we will just see that what all kinds of minerals are available in the India. So in the first part of this class we all had learned about globe is a miniature form of earth. Then we had seen latitudes and longitudes, that are important lines है ना। longitudes means लंबे लंबे line and latitudes means लेटे हुए line. Then we had seen that equator divides our earth in two parts. One part is northern hemisphere, the other one is southern hemisphere. The northern end is called north pole and southern end is called south pole. Then we had seen about the heat zone of the earth. This much students clear? So just now we had discussed that our Earth's shape is of geoid, है ना, that means flattened from both the ends, and we had studied that how day and night cos means the region of Earth that faces sun is day and the other one is night. Now we will discuss about lines of latitudes and longitudes in more detail. So we will watch the video.
Here I am, old but funny. No signs of aging, wrinkle or line. I share a secret that you can't see. I have imaginary lines all over me. From top to bottom and side to side, these lines reach places far and wide.
Okay, so I had already given an example कि अगर आपके घर में एक लेटर आना है तो आपको उसका हाउस का नंबर देना होगा, आपको कॉलोनी का नंबर बताना होगा, you have to name the district and so. So why we draw these lines of longitudes and latitude? Because if we just say the correct number of latitude and longitude, we can say that where is this country. Means अगर हम करेक्ट लाइन का डिग्री लैटिट्यूड और लॉन्गिट्यूड का बताएंगे तो हम बहुत इजीली बता सकते हैं कि हमारा कौन सा कंट्री कौन से लैटिट्यूड और लॉन्गिट्यूड के पास में है. दिस इज द रीजन दैट इमेजिनरी लाइंस कॉल्ड लॉन्गिट्यूड्स एंड लैटिट्यूड्स आर ड्रॉन इन द ग्लोब.
The North Pole is the point on top. Come all the way down. Do not stop. Through icy waters, steer your ship. To the South Pole, my southernmost tip.
So now we are discussing about the North Pole and South Pole. Okay. So we have two poles. One will be North Pole and one will be South Pole.
The equator, running across my mate, divides me in equal halves indeed. North or south, there or here, you are neither hemisphere. Parallel to the equator, north and south, you have to take my...
One more time I am repeating. Equator is the imaginary line that divides Earth in two parts. One is north hemisphere, the upper part, and this one is southern hemisphere, that is lower part.
are word and mouth. Quiet as a mouse without a sound. Latitude circle all around. To the north of the equator at 23.5 degrees. The Tropic of Cancer runs its course over hills, plains and seas. At 23.5 degrees south, be it evening, night or morn. The latitude that runs over there is the Tropic of Capricorn. The latitude called the Arctic Circle, beyond which it just might freeze, lies to the north of the equator at 66.5 degrees. The magic parallel to the south, 66.5 degrees again.
So this diagram had once already been discussed. We are discussing it one more time.
The Antarctic Circle is the...
Okay, students, so here I am giving you one homework. Whenever we are having the class, you should always sit with book in front of you. So it will be easy for you to understand. Now listen student, in page number 11, the same diagram is given here. Okay, these are important lines of latitude. The same diagram is given in page number 11, figure 2.3. This you have to draw in your copy. So this is today's homework.
line beyond which can live no man.
So you remember that I had told that this region receives maximum sunlight, because if sun is there, the direct sun rays will fall on this part. So once in a year, almost at least once a time, there is a time when sun rays falls directly in this region, and this is the hottest place of our earth.
From pole to pole are longitudes, semicircles that run vertically, also known as meridians. These are the other lines you find on me. The 0-degree prime meridian is where we start to count the rest. So
as equator is dividing the whole earth into hemispheres, in the same way prime meridian also divides our earth into spheres. But the difference is that equator is latitude, lamba, and prime meridian is longitude, in long.
other longitudes will lie to the east or west. This grid helps you find a place and know its climate or time, you see. Latitudes and longitudes are the lines that I have running all over me.
So I hope that students are clear with lines of longitude and lines of latitude. While equator divides our earth in two parts, north and south hemisphere, in the same way prime meridian divides it into direction or two parts, that is west and east. So I think all of you have understood, and I had already given one homework. So the chapter now we will continue in our next video lessons. So that by time you take care and you just read the first 3-4 pages of this chapter, because we had already discussed all those things in the video lesson. So if you will read it, you will be more clear with it, and if you have some doubt, that also you can ask. Okay students, thank you.